Hi all, in this video we're going to learn what is the use of subtotal function and how it helps us to get an accurate result. Let's get into our tutorial session. Welcome to Asterisk Vlogs and my name is Santosh. For this session, I've already taken a set of data which talks about region, rep, items, units, unit cost and total amount. Here I'm going to use a simple function and we'll see how that helps me to calculate this overall units, unit cost and total amount. It looks very simple, right? When I'm saying to calculate overall cost, I can perform it with the normal function called sum. But why I am using subtotal function here? We will see in detail. So, when I'm giving a subtotal function, the same function which gets in sum, overall sum also, the same answer we will get over here. But it will do a different performance and it will give a different set of answer also. Let's try it once. Equal to subtotal open bracket. When I'm performing this one, you can see a different line items: average, count, count A, maximum, minimum, product, everything it is here. So in this session, I'm going to teach you how to perform sum of this overall unit, unit cost and total amount. So I'm selecting sum. When you click that sum, it is in ninth function, so it got as number 9 and we need to put comma and select that particular column and give enter. I'm just copy pasting in another cells also. So we got this answer. So what is difference in it? What difference it will do? Let's see that. So if you see this also can be performed by all plus equal to, it will give overall sum value 2121 and here it gives 873 and here it gives 19627.88. All this can be performed by a normal sum function also. Let's see what difference this will make. Just highlighting it. For our reference, I am just copy pasting this number here. So this is my overall unit details, unit cost and overall amount. Now comes the real picture. What is a function of subtotal? I'm just selecting a line item here. In that I'm just selecting binder. Now you can see the details got changed. Previously we got an answer for overall cost. When we performing that overall sum function, we will get only this details. Whenever we selecting this binder, whenever we selecting particular line item, that normal sum function will not work here. But when we using the subtotal function, it will give right answer for that particular line item. We will do one more practice also. Let's select region wise. I'm just selecting central. So this will give in central what is my total under line item binder. See, there is a change in total value. So now you understood how what is the difference between subtotal function and normal sum function. This can be used whenever you deals with a large number of data in a table format, or else this concept you can utilize wherever such kind of details you required. By this, we will end up our session here. Hope you all got a chance to know about subtotal function and its usage. We kindly request you to subscribe our channel and please don't forget to click the bell icon to get our updates immediately. Thank you and bye now from Aztec Vlogs.